Welcome to the step-by-step Vitra installation guide for the WeCare 3 Prime Smart Toilet. In this video, we will show you the correct installation procedure, clearly explained, practical, and easy to follow. Open the box from the side to remove the WeCare 3 Smart Toilet. And first remove the toilet seat, including the technical unit. Before you begin, please check the on-site conditions and ensure that the delivery is complete and undamaged. Please follow the enclosed installation instructions and observe the general safety information at all times. For the clean water connection, use the wall valve provided with the product. Install the mounting set supplied with the product onto the wall. Before placing the toilet onto the concealed cistern rods, please check that the flow restrictor is present at the clean water inlet. Once the water connection has been completed, you can carefully slide the toilet towards the wall, insert the mounting pin set into the toilet, and tighten the screws securely. Then trim the protruding parts of the mounting set neatly and flush to the surface. Now connect the IP68 rated connector included in the installation kit to the previously installed power cable inside the wall, paying attention to the phase, neutral, and ground terminals. Important: electrical connections must only be carried out by qualified professionals. Insert the seat mounting anchors into the toilet. Now place the seat onto the toilet and connect the clean water line use, the detection sensor, ambient lighting, LED cable, and power cable connections. Then turn on the water. Gently place the seat onto the toilet. Tighten the mounting screws and attach the plastic caps of the screws. Restore the power supply and then switch the on-off switch located beneath the seat's main circuit board to on in order to activate the WeCare Prime shower toilet. If it is to be used with the WeCare Smart Panel, also connect the cable that enables communication between the Smart Panel and the Smart Seat. You can fix the remote holder to the wall using the adhesive tapes on the back. If you prefer, you can also secure it using the screws included in the package. Install the remote control at a point where it can be easily seen and reached when seated on the product. Insert the batteries by opening the lower cover. The remote control and toilet are factory paired and therefore ready for immediate use. Finally, check all connections and key functions. Congratulations! The installation is now successfully completed. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@vitra.co.uk.